The township dog, we must make the distinction, is not an AfriCanis. You might have a chance of filming little Tabiso that we have over here. She's a township dog, rescued from the road, from the freeway, and she's very distinctly not an AfriCanis, not in her behavior, not in the way she acts. She's much more hyperactive than these dogs. She's busy all the time. These dogs, you can see, conserve their energy. They're absolute layabouts until you need their energy, and it's there, it's ready. The batteries are not depleted.